Andun sa damit niya. Piluso po yung sagot ko, no? Basta ganon. Andun sa kanyang damit niya. Alam ko lang, dark spots. Pimples attack. Eye bag. Eye bag is real. Talaga ba? Parang ngayon ka lang napunta sa live ko. Ganun. Ako nga di pa ako nakasubscribe sa channel mo. I'm not yet subscribed to your channel. Nanood muna ako ng video. Itong short video lang muna yung panoorin ko ay itong 1 minute unboxing pabango. Wow, sana may pasalubong. Galing Spain pa yung pabango. Sa mga kabilang. Oh, andun sa kabilang pader. Sana merong gift. Galing sa ibang bansa. Kulimlim na naman dito. Maulan ba dyan sa inyo? Dito maulan eh. Kakamis ba yung saging na saba? Diba kasi yung saging na saba sa probinsya? Ano ba yan? Pag pumutok yan namaya, bantay kayo sa akin. Talaga ba? Matagal na pala yun. Single kasi, wala naman kong katabi. Single, pag hindi pa rin nakal. Sabi nila, uy, hinahin lang biyong. Yung. Yeah, thank you. Medyo maingay yung background ko kasi may mga batang naglalaro sa kalsada. Hindi. Kasi diba sabi nila, wag mong sabihin asawa mo na pag hindi pa talaga kayo kasal. May partner lang. Partner. Hindi pa. Baby, this is time.
Yo, guys, check out our freaking surroundings right now. I gotta make sure I'm not gonna fall in there, guys. This is literally the edge of death here. Like, you fall in that, and that's a wrap.
Oh, parang ganun yan.
How much to jump in there?
Lang.
Since I'm broke, I'll take any amount of money. $1, $2,
Talaga
a
kasal.
toonie, a loony, a double, I don't know.
Diba pag sinabing mag-asawa na, yun yung sinabi ng kasal.
I'll talk to my lawyers and,
Diba?
you know, something
Kasi
can get
nabasa ko
arranged.
yung
Before we talk about that, are you gonna jump in? Probably not. I'm going to 3, 2, 1, go!
Ha?
Oh my God.
Ano?
This will turn into a different kind of video if we did that. Zombie squad. They actually like big river.
Yung kinaya lang yun. Please.
Check out these 2 tunnels, guys. They're super freaking creepy.
Kasi makapiright sa mamo.
So if you try to get in there, have a good feeling.
Yeah, thank you.
I know which one you're thinking right now. Tunnels can only mean one thing. You guys have seen the
Ganyan na.
You've seen the thumbnail. Today we are going to be hunting for freaking clowns. Whoa, what? Bro, I thought we were going on a random nature hunt. Yeah, thought wrong. Yeah, I'm actually such a, I actually feel bad for my friends. I'm such a manipulator. Like I literally told them we were just gonna
Baby.